Mga kapuso, Power Talks with Pia Arcangel malantaw na umpisa February 26. GMA Chairman Attorney Felipe L. Gozon nagpakigbahin sa life lessons sa pilot episodes ng podcast. Si Tess Ordales nakatuto.
Sa iya nga podcast na surprise guest with Pia Arcangel, nahatagan si Pia sang kahigayunan sa importante nga mga diskusyon kaupo ng dalago nga personalidad sa patagsang sports, showbiz kagiban pa.
As parents, tayo talaga ang architect sa magiging future ng anak natin.
Subong mga maimpluwensya nga personalidad kasubong sang business tycoons, tech innovators, kag-award-winning artists sa iban pa nga mga industry leader ang mag-one-on-one ni Pia sa pinakabago nga GMA Integrated News Podcast nga Power Talks with Pia Arcangel nga mag-umpisa sa February 26.
Mabuhay and welcome to Power Talks.
Excited si Pia para sa bago nga podcast produced by GMA DG Labs.
I hope that from the show, viewers and listeners will be able to pick up stories that they will learn valuable lessons that they can apply to their own lives as well.
Suno kay Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor D. Amoroso, padayon nga nagapangita ang GMA Networks ang panibago nga pamaagi para mas malabot ang audience sa nagkalain-lain nga online platform. First guest sa newest Kapuso podcast, si Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, ang Chairman of the Board and Advisor kag Chairman sang Programming Committee of GMA Network. Diri niya ginpakigbahin ang iyang childhood.
Oh yes, I was so malikot. I was all over the place.
Pamilya.
So sir, what are some of the biggest joys you have as a parent and as a grandfather?
Well, to see my children succeeding.
Life lessons.
Early on, I already learned never to argue with my mother. You will never win. So why argue?
Ang iyang leadership style.
I learned from that not to listen to excuses.
Kag realizations.
When you look back, your career, everything that you have accomplished, what would you say to your younger self?
In life, you have to set a goal. And when you achieve the goal, you cannot imagine how you feel.
Bantayan mga kapuso ang bagong episodes ng Power Talks with Pia Arcangel every Wednesday sa Spotify, Apple Podcast, kag darang GMA Integrated News social media platforms. Tess Ordales. One Western Visayas.